You too can also catch insane moves like this by following the Simple Fibonacci Trading Strategy. Hi guys, welcome back to the FX community. There's a trade on CHFJPY on 4-hour time frame that I took last week with my community. In this video, I'll be taking you through my thought process and what I saw before taking this setup. Now, first of all, we can clearly see that over here, we've had series of breakout structures to the upside, indicating that this market has been on an uptrend, right? Last 2 weeks, I missed this trading setup when I came to the chart and saw that price has put up a new breakout structure towards the upside. I said, okay, waiting for the next pullback to trade the market towards the upside, right? This was a much simpler setup because we were trading along with the trend. Okay, like they say, the trend is your friend. Now, first of all, I identified our trading range, our current trading range, which we have right here. So this was my trading range high over here, and over here I had my trading range low. And secondly, I identified the current breakout structure, right, which indicates that this market is still on a bullish trend, which we have over here, right? Identifying the bullish structure to the upside, I was just waiting for price to come towards a point of interest, right? And then I take my setup and continue riding the market towards the upside. Okay, now after identifying the current trading range, plot your Fibonacci tool. Since the market is trending towards the upside, right, you plot the Fibonacci from the low to the high, just like we have right here. And now you set your pending order on the 75% retracement level. So you enter your buy limit over there on the 75% retracement level, and then you place your stop loss at the 100% retracement level. And then for your take profits, now I have various ways I set my TPs. So first of all, if I want to go for 1:3, I set my TP at the 0% level, which we have right here. My TP1 would be here at the 0% level, which will give me 1:3. And if I want to go for 1:4, I set my second TP at the -3%, which will be over here. But for this setup, I was waiting for a 1:3. I was anticipating the 1:3 because I wouldn't want to stay long in the market because we're on a 4-hour time frame, right? After setting up the trades like this, my entries and all of that, and then playing price forward, we could see that now price started moving towards the downside. Okay, so right here, as you can see, okay. And one thing I have to say though is, okay, now right here price came to the 75% retracement level. Well, as at this time I wasn't on the chart, so I did not see this. I wasn't in this trade by this time. But then when price put up the next candle, yeah, so after this candle, yeah, so I came to meet price like this. Now when I saw this, I actually went into the trade over here. Now I think anticipating a 1:2 weeks to reward, I took the trade. I took 1% of my FundNX account over here. I entered 1% here, but then I remember that price might still come back to the 75% retracement level. So for this particular setup, I was risking about 3%, right? Because I was very sure of the setup. So I placed another, I think 1% or 1.5% right here as a pending order in case if price retests this level, right? I'll take another position here. Okay, so I got into another setup here. So my initial 1.5% that I was risking, I entered another position here, going for my actual 1:3 weeks to reward ratio over here. And actually this was very smooth, and this trade actually took about 9 days. And here we have it. So this was very simple and straightforward, right? Just some key notes here. You could clearly see that we had just minimal drawdown, right? There's not always the case, but then for this particular setup we had just a minimal drawdown right here, and then price retested this level twice. Now the reason why I took the entry over here was because sometimes we were quite lucky that price came back to retest this level, but then most often price might not return back to this level to retest it. Just like let me go back here. If I plot a Fibonacci 2 from last 2 weeks, you clearly see that the moment price came all the way here to the 75%, it just went all the way back, just went to straight to take profit. It didn't come back again. So I thought of that, and so I took some of my positions here and still set a pending order here, anticipating that price might return back to the 75% retracement level. So there's it for the setup, and right here you can see a screenshot of the profit. Yeah, okay, right here you can see the profit I made from this trade setup. And thanks for watching. If you want to get my free PDF on how to trade this strategy and the best pairs to trade this setup with, the link will be in the description below. It's free. Just click the link and get the free PDF. It will show you how to set these levels and all of that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed. Bye.